How to upload large files to Discord without Nitro. This tutorial shows you how to get around the file size limit using a free website on PC. First, open your browser and go to imgur.com. From there, click on New Post to start a fresh upload. After that, drag and drop your video file into the upload area, or click to browse and select it from your files. At this point, give your upload a title so it's easy to identify, then wait for the upload to finish. The time it takes will depend on the size of your file and your internet speed. Following this, once the upload is complete, you'll be able to see your video right there on the page. From there, copy the link to your imgur post from the address bar. After that, head back to Discord and open the server or channel where you want to share the video. From here, paste the link directly into the message field and press Enter. Finally, Discord will automatically generate a preview of the video right inside the chat, making it look like it was uploaded directly, no Nitro required. Keep in mind that imgur works best for videos under a certain file size, so if your video is extremely large, you may need to trim it down or compress it before uploading. That's how you share large files on Discord without Nitro. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.